Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to find routing number on Wells Fargo app easily. So make sure you watch till the very end to understand the entire process step by step. So the actual case is you cannot find your routing app on the application. You need to actually head over to the official website. Head over to Google or whatever browser you use, and you're gonna search Wells Fargo routing number, and then you're going to type in the very first link that comes up, and it will bring you to a page like this. So you'll see the first one says, are you looking for a routing number or an account number? We're looking for a routing number. Will you be using this information to receive a wire transfer? Let's say yes. So we're going to click on yes, and then they'll ask, where is the source of the incoming wire transfer? So if it's inside the United States, we click on this one, and you see that it says what the routing number is. And if it's outside, you click on this one and it says your SWIFT code, which is this one. And if we click no here, it's gonna say what account type, let's say checking account, and then what state did you open. You're going to put in your information and you'll get your routing number. So you just follow the step-by-step process and get your routing number. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.